Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included, such as premium leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, all-terrain tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Here, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. I'll come up here with the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. We also have these black running boards here as well. And onto these seats, you're going to have these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar here, super nice. And you're going to have this brand new Trail Boss animation. It's pretty sleek, like a lot. You're going to have ventilation and 2- and 4-wheel, as well as your lighting control on the left side. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. So we're in the showroom today. I'll just turn on the power. You have an all digital speedometer here, and you can access all of your vehicle information, including your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start down below here. And moving on to the infotainment. So equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance, as well as just your hitch cam. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa as well. Just below, you're gonna have lane keep assist with your auto stop next to your hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. And with your integrated brake controller, you got your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side there. Center console, lots of extra storage, the brand new shifter as well, with the wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Storage in there. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable, leather and heated. Wood and chrome all the way across again. The speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here you can access the reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. So you got these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. You're gonna have the Z71 badging, the black hood scoop, the black mirror caps, and the black keyless entry door handle. You have the Trail Boss badging in the back, the black corner step bumper, the dual exhaust tips, with your trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. Into the back here, you got your 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port, and around 12 bed tie-downs. It's a very spacious room. Moving on to the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage right next to the speaker. You got the power windows with the wood and chrome accent. Back. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports. You got the cup holder and armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as a Z71 package, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.